Hello everyone, I am here with another layout. It is using background from Basil cardstock, or my background is Basil cardstock, I should say. Internet company raised my speed, but ever since I got a thing saying, hey, we raised your speed, my internet isn't even, anyway, what or where, what the name of it was. So that pink layer is crepe paper making homes flourish. It's the reverse side of that floral. I have that blue polka dot that's going to be used as my photo mats, and it's Pink Fresh Studio BU called Braves. And I was at work. Mateo was with me at school, and Alex was home, and he well, of course, Reese goes outside, and then Coco decided she was going to go bask in the sun with Reese. And he took pictures and sent them to me and said, hey, look. So. And then that card is from the die cuts, which are Pink Fresh Studio BU. I have those puffy stickers, which are the Hip Kit Club Daydream. That floral and that butterfly is from the Hip Kit Club Daydream. Everything else is Pink Fresh Studio. And then I have my title, which is Happy and then For Real. So Happy is American Crafts High Five Thickers, and then For Real is American Crafts Let's Dance Thickers, both from past kits. And this flower that I'm about to glue down as well, I want to say that one is also from, the larger flowers are from the Hip Kit Club Daydream. And then everything else is Pink Fresh Studio. And I just used the hearts, and then it had some dots on there, different colors, so I just said I need to use those so I can say that the sticker sheet is used up, because all I had left was those hearts and the dots. So I thought, well, I'll use those like I would enamel dots. So that's what I did. And then try to get this last cluster down. I will do my title, and then after that, that pretty much completes the layout. So thanks for watching, and if you don't mind, subscribe so I can get some subscribers so I can remonetize my videos, because it helps me out, helps fund my classroom, believe it or not, a little bit. Doesn't give me much, but it gives me something, so I'm not having to spend so much of my own money. Anyway, thanks guys, bye.